Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Gurukul. So today we are going to learn how to disable a user or how to stop or prevent a user to be able to log into a Linux box. So sometimes it may happen that you don't want to delete a user but you want them to be disabled or want to prevent them for logging in. So there are different methods for that. So let's discuss that first. So first we will see how to lock a user. Okay, so first command is user mode, which is user modify and hyphen L, capital L, and the username. So this will lock the user and user will not be able to log in. Then using password command, we can use hyphen small l and the username to lock the user. So once the you can use either of these commands to lock the user. Okay, so next one is like we can also expire the user account. Like there are expiry date attached to a user account whenever a account is created. So we will change it through like chase command. So chase hyphen capital E, zero means 0 day. So from today itself, like and the username. So this will expire the user account and user won't be able to log in after that. Then we have disabling this shell. So once you disable this shell, user will not be able to log it. They will get the message that no default shell or something. Okay, so for that you can use this user mode command hyphen s in this shell, and s will no login. No login is used for not logging the user which exists, but they're not able to log into any shell. Okay, so these are the three different methods using which you can lock or enable disable the user in fact. Okay, so how to check these scenario, like suppose you have used the command and you want to check it. So using so pa password status and psswd hyphen hyphen status and the username. So if it contains lk or l, that means the user is locked. Check for expiry date, like chase hyphen l shashwat. So this will check for expiry date of it. So suppose expiry date is like today or before today, that means the user won't be able to log in. Then again, if you have done it through no login option, so you can run this command grep and the username and etc password. So if this contains no login at the end of the user entry, it means the user won't be able to log in. So thank you for watching Tech Gurukul. Please subscribe and support our channel. So I'll try to keep more tutorials, more better videos like this. So thank you for watching. Please follow us, comment us if you want something else. Thanks for watching. Have a great time ahead.